There we go. Hey, welcome back to Moto Void. Or if this is your first time here, welcome to Moto Void, the channel about cars, bikes, and the community around them. I know I've been gone for a while, but some stuff's been going on and I'm going to be getting back into it. And actually, I've got some stuff which will even help. As I've got a new camera. So I'm going to be trying this out and showing you the new car, and you'll also see a bit of this journey I'm going on. So I'm going to be driving about 2.5 hours to actually my second car show in the Midlands, somewhere near Coventry. It's the Japanese performance show. I'll be filming the journey there a bit, showing you guys around it, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So it's about 5 a.m. I'm about to go to the car show and going to be joining a convoy in Bury St Edmunds, which is about 45 minutes away. So I have no clue how well I cleaned the car. And it's still dark, so wouldn't know. And also, being typical British weather, it rained last night. So we'll see how this goes. At the meetup point, which is a Tesco in Bury, as you can see there. And actually the first people here, so here's some cars, or maybe it's a motorbike. But here's a Juke. First time you guys actually get to see it all the way around. And there will be videos about it later on, but today it's mainly about the car show. So still waiting for the other club members to arrive, and we'll see how it goes. So see you in a little bit. Okay, so made it to the service station, and we've already got a bit of a breakdown. Let's go help push. There we go. He left his lights on and his car died, so yeah, that's an eventful start. And here's a bit of the convoy as he tries to get his battery charging.
Do you know what? I haven't left my lights on.
And the Juke. And back to the drive. Well, we made it, and bit of a queue out the back and out the front as well. So we just got in trouble for moving this Supra closer to the club, as it was originally over there. However, we decided to get it a bit closer to our club, which is over here. And we ended up getting in a bit of trouble for it, because apparently you're not allowed to have your car running, which if you can hear in the background, not certain if you can, there's quite a few cars running somewhere here, and the occasional person revving their engine. But that's life, and their rules, they decide who can run their cars. Decided to break. I'll just show you real quick. If you could just hold this. Don't know if I can actually see the screen, but if I go to nav, tell it to go home, press start. Yep, just restarts every time. Having a broken nav is really fun when you get stuck in a traffic jam and try to take a detour and you have multiple GPSs saying to go different ways. Luckily, I've got a Nissan mechanic with me who is trying to fix my nav for now, but apparently it needs an update, which I asked the dealer which I bought it from if there's an update, because I saw it on the forums, and they said there's no update needed for the Juke, it's fine. I'm not so confident in them anymore, so I'll have to find a way to get it from a different dealer, or force the dealer I got the car from to do the update, as it is under warranty and this video kind of shows it's not working. Anyway, getting lost is fun! So since I can't really show it on video, I'm gonna just kind of explain what happened when I phoned Nissan and reenact it. So first time, kind of went like this. Hello? Is this Nissan? Yeah, I've got an issue with my Juke. Oh, you're busy? Call back in 15 minutes? Okay, I'll do that. 15 minutes later, I decided to phone again. Hi, is this Nissan? Yep. Okay, I've got an issue with my Juke, which I bought off of you 6 months ago. Oh, you're really busy? You'll call me back? Okay, my number is... Yep, okay, bye. So, a while later I got a phone call. Hello? Oh, okay, yeah, I was calling earlier because there's an issue with my Juke. My GPS completely packed up over the weekend and it stopped working. Which I guess is what packing up means. It just crashes every time I put an address in. Oh, there's been an update out for a couple months, which I've had to do. They didn't say this before. Okay, yeah. I'll book it in. Could I come in 2 weeks? Because bank holiday, and I can really only come in on Mondays. Yeah? Okay. One other thing. I've got a bit of a rattle when I'm driving at slow speeds, which doesn't seem like it should be there. Could you take a look? Yeah. Oh, and the update will take 2 hours? Okay. Well, I don't really have anything else to do, so I'll just bring it by and look around at Crazy Horse across the road. So yeah, see you in 2 weeks. Thanks. Bye. So yeah, the update, which apparently didn't exist, all of a sudden exists, and whoever I spoke to last time just didn't know about it. Anyway, I'm gonna get it repaired in 2 weeks. Until then, I guess it's more videos on the Sunny. See you then, and if you haven't liked and subscribed, do it.